Welcome to a very sacred part of my home, and we are going to go through it together because I'm having an identity crisis. Hi, if you don't know me, my name is Kita, and on this channel, I've been trying to do a lot of lifestyle things, a lot of home decor things, and I think I have finally found some sort of spark or inspiration, and I think that's also because I want to get my life together. And to cut right to the chase, I have been carrying around way too much baggage in the form of clothing. I really wanted to start a series where I go through everything and I kind of catalog all the things that I have, all the things that I'm donating. So a lot of what we're going to be doing today is going through this big old honkin' closet. I don't want my home to feel anxiety inducing. I spend a lot of time here. I want to enjoy my rent, when I'm already busy with work or trying to make content. I don't want to have to worry about constantly cleaning or constantly organizing. So my big goal for the end of the year and then going into 2026 is for everything in my home to find a home. So welcome to what I think I'm calling creating the Kita Cave. I don't know exactly. I got all set up, but now I don't know how to do this. How should we do this? I have stuff on my bed. Maybe I should clear off the stuff on my bed first. And then maybe we go through each individual piece in my closet and see how we feel. I like that idea. All right, let's do it. Let's get to it. Cut. So here's how I've decided we're doing this. There's going to be 3 piles. There's going to be the stuff that I keep and, obviously I'm hoping to wear again in the future. There are things that I am definitely donating. And then there's going to be a very small dedicated pile to things that I think my friends would enjoy. The criteria for keeping things are as follows. Do I like it? Obviously, I want to keep everything that I like. I don't want to feel iffy about anything. I want to feel good and confident that I will definitely wear something in my closet. Number 2, if I do like it, what's the longevity? Am I going to keep it for a while? I want to keep things for at least a year, and I'm really going to try my hardest to purge everything. Or things that I don't really wear that much. And then number 3, when was the last time I touched it? When was the last time I actively wore it? Like, I'm actually looking at a couple pieces that are hanging up on the back of my closet door right now that have been hanging there for maybe, I'm not even kidding you, a year. So with all that, I've cleared the bed. Now we can start to lay things out. So this first dress is, for right now, an absolute keep. I do not know where I'm going to wear it. I wore it for park hangs and things like that. Very casual get-togethers because I don't know if you can see that. This dress is covered in blunts, in little joints all over it. It is a beautiful dress by one of my favorite designers, a Tuesday Baston of California. I've been a huge Tuesday fan for as long as I have been, I guess, playing with plus size fashion and really trying to find my style originally. And honestly, I think a lot of her pieces I'm going to keep. They're filled with so much personality, and until this doesn't fit me anymore, I am going to hold on to this dress. I'm going to find more excuses to wear it. So anybody who wants to, have a little park hang, let a girl know. Now, these Lucy Yak dresses, I'm holding up 2. They are my absolute uniform. They are corduroy dresses. I love them. You can dress them up, you can dress them down, and they're in 2 of my favorite colors. So I am absolutely keeping these. These are staying. Now we're moving on to the goth part of my closet. All of the black dresses that I have, and are you surprised? I do not wear that often. Everybody needs a little black dress. but I have too many for who I am. And I think I want some very specific styles of black dresses. So let's see what we've got. Okay, this dress also absolutely keeping. It is one of my favorite dresses. And as I'm editing this, if I have pictures of me in these pieces that at least I'm keeping, I am absolutely going to be putting them in. But this is one of my favorite dresses ever. I used to call it the little Amish girl dress, or like the American girl dress. It's one of my go-tos for work. It's also just one of my go-tos for going out. It has a little, like, you can like tie into a bow. It's like the perfect length on me. I absolutely love this dress, 1000% keeping. Now we've finally found a dress that I am definitely going to donate. It actually is a Tuesday of California dress. I don't love the way that this this drapes on me, honestly, and not that it's a bad dress at all. I just think the way that it falls on me personally, I'm not a huge fan of, but it's still in really good condition, so I am definitely going to donate this. Now, here we have a little bit of a dilemma. This is a dress that I actually like. I've only worn it once. I got this from Old Navy, and I think it's actually pretty nice for an Old Navy dress. It's long. It's usually much longer than I personally go because I'm short. I like the silhouette of this. I think I'm going to give this another genuine chance. This is one of my last black dresses, but this is yet another Tuesday of California banger. I think this is the rodeo dress, and it has like little frills on it. I do really enjoy this dress. I don't wear black that often. I'm just a person that kind of opts in for more color, which is funny because a lot of my work uniforms sometimes can be all black. We're gonna give this dress another solid try. Just like the previous one, if I don't wear it in a year, we're gonna donate it. Are y'all ready for a whole array of pops of color? Because I am. Okay, so fun fact, this dress is actually a very similar cut, if not the same cut as the black that one I'm donating. Do you see this pattern? I'm obsessed with this pattern. I love this pattern. I love the colors. It's unlike anything else that I have in my wardrobe. Absolutely keeping this. Need to wear this more often next summer. 10 out of 10. It's not painful, but it's weird because the last time I wore this dress was literally on my birthday a year ago. This is one of those pieces. This is by Tamara Malice, and I have so many of her pieces as well. Absolutely love the styles, and so I'm sad to part with this dress only because it's so fun, but I haven't worn it in a year. I genuinely don't see where I personally might wear this again. The fact that I am kind of sitting on it means that I need to sell it or just give it to somebody. We'll see if I have any takers. Oh yes, this is by the amazing WRAY, who is actively closing their doors right now, and I am so sad about it because their style is exactly what I want my more adult but cute aesthetic to be. And I love this dress. I love the way this dress makes me feel. And so this is one that makes me feel really good. So this is not going anywhere. Absolutely keeping this. Ooh, and this is another one of my favorites. Honestly, we've gone through so many, and I'm so happy that I have so many pieces that I love, which means that I did like a pretty good job curating. I know I have a lot more to go through, but this is a banger dress from Nettle Studios, who is a local design shop here in the Bay Area. I absolutely love this dress. So I'm keeping on to this. I love this dress very much. And I do have a code with Nettle Studios if you are ever curious about getting some Nettle of your own. And then last but absolutely not least for the dresses round, it's less of a dress, more of an oversized shirt. I like the way it falls. I just need pants under it. I am going to give this also another year. All right, we're getting into the more serious gear here. This is heavy. This is like all of my formal wear type beat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hang up the dresses that we're keeping, and then we're going to go ahead and go through these. I feel like we're about to have a lot of donations or selling. Okay, so this is an OG dress. I love this dress. This is a sweater dress by Universal Standard. I haven't worn this in a little bit, but I think I'm going to give it a chance again, especially because it's getting colder out. Also, if you want to see me style any of these pieces that I've been talking about, please let me know. Let me know in the comments below if you want a little Kita fashion show. I actually bought this for an anniversary of an ex's and I because their favorite color is red. I thought this was going to be a lovely dress to wear for our anniversary dinner. But then we broke up. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the maybe a friend wants it and or sell pile. Yep, there we go. Okay, I love this dress. You can't really see the detail on it in the mirror, so I'm gonna do a little close-up for you. This has little golden sequins all over it. It's so pretty. I'm gonna keep this. Do have a holiday Christmas party coming up that I could probably wear this to. Okay, this is a long dress. The way I have it folded up is not doing it justice. This is actually a really good piece of clothing. I just don't really have places to wear it to, and I'm hoping to come across that again. I forget what the name of her brand is, but I did a shoot for this lovely woman back when I was living in Chicago. But I'll insert a couple pictures of me wearing this dress. I did my own little personal photo shoot in it. So I'm gonna keep this in hopes that I wear it within the next year. And again, if not, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna do a video literally next fall, and we're gonna see if I've worn any of these since. Okay, now looking at what we're getting up to, I think we've finally started to approach the part where I'm really gonna start getting rid of stuff. Seriously, I know the whole point of this video is for me to get rid of stuff, but we're getting rid of stuff now. This one pains me to let go of. It is too small for me. I haven't worn this in years. It is gorgeous. It is beautiful. I love it, and I think somebody else may be able to get good use out of it. And I mean, it's a little old, like some of the sequins aren't really, you know, there anymore, and I think I've had this for so long. I might just donate this, honestly, instead of like trying to pawn it off to somebody else. I may actually just ask a couple friends if they may want it. So sad, we had such a beautiful life together, but I think you've got to go. Now this is a very cute, fun, flirty, frilly and free Old Navy dress that never fit me properly. I'm being called to donate it. I'm gonna donate this. I'm not even gonna go through what I went through with this thing. This was a panic purchase for me. It is heavy. It is a lot. It's like a tux pantsuit from Eloquii. I do not want this anymore. I'm donating it. I'm not even going to try to pawn this off to somebody else. I'm donating it. This, on the other hand, has a lot of potential. This is why I don't buy a lot of like romper type things, especially if they have zippers, because then what if I have to pee, you know? Like it's a whole thing to use the bathroom. So we're gonna worry about that later. Let's count up how many pieces we've actually gotten rid of today. We've got 1, 3, 4, definitely donate. 6 dresses, or like 6 long things. And honestly, that's not bad. A lot of the stuff that I did touch and show you today, definitely worn a couple of them a bunch of times this year. Let's take a little break and then we'll get into jackets and over things next. Okay, so not gonna lie, I was getting a little overheated and I could feel myself dehydrating just a little bit because all I've had to drink today was a Dalgona coffee. It was a massive Dalgona coffee and a green tea. And it is 6 o'clock. I am actively sipping on a bottle of water and we're gonna power through the jackets. Now there is a massive caveat here. I know on good authority that some of these will fit me in the future. And I know that as a body liberation, fat acceptance advocate, holding on to things that does not fit you anymore is not really in line with all of that, because you deserve clothes that fit you in this present moment now. But I have been undergoing some health changes and they've been going pretty well. So with all of that in the back of our heads, I will be keeping some of these pieces even if they look like they don't fit. What's your name? You won't get away, no matter what you do. I won't have my way. I will make the rules. I'm just like a drug.
you get a taste, you won't let me go. You remember me. I want you to call it. Wanna hear it at 3 in the morning. Your voice is my silence. Wanna hear it from Cairo to London. Como me amo, me amo. Como me amo, me amo.
All right, cuties, I know the light's a little intense because it's literally in my face. I am going to take a break for the night. There are a lot of other pieces that we still need to go through. So what we're probably going to do is I'm probably going to shoot another video this weekend going through some more stuff so I can really get a nice full bag to take to the donation centers. I love y'all so very much. If you're new here and you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and I'm gonna show Maureen the clothes that she might get a chance to keep for herself. You wanna say hi to the people? Say hello! Oh shit, the lighting.
Hello.
She gets first dibs and then y'all get whatever's left, okay? Goodbye!
Woo! Sucks to suck.